Once upon a time, in a not-so-far-away kingdom, there was a handsome, dashing prince whose parents were searching for a suitable bride. To find someone worthy of being their beloved son's princess, they announced a beauty pageant in which all of the princesses of the land were invited to compete for his hand in marriage.
Cinderella, Rapunzel, Sleeping Beauty, and Ariel eagerly clicked attend on the Facebook event and immediately began practicing their routines. When they all arrived, tensions were running high and everyone tried to compete for the disinterested prince's heart and impress the panel of judges.
Up first was the ravishing Rapunzel, whose flaxen tresses were oft praised. She sang Lady Gaga's song Hair, and when the audience exploded with praise and demanded an encore, she appeased the crowd by singing Whip My Hair. As she tried to do the signature whip move, her hair was so heavy that she simply fell off the stage.
Following Rapunzel was the attractive Ariel, whose flaming red hair, beautiful voice, and amazing flips in the water made her a hit with the crowd and the judges. In her grand finale, she flipped out of the water and landed on the floor. But her tail was so slippery that she just flopped around like a fish out of water.
Charming Cinderella demonstrated her amazing ability to walk in fragile heels, and everybody oohed and awed as they admired her porcelain skin, sea-green eyes, and cherry lips. Tragedy struck when Cinderella tripped, shattering one of her glass slippers. She burst into tears as she sprinted off the stage, leaving the remaining slipper behind.
Once the stage crew cleaned up the remains of Cinderella's slipper, the curtains were reopened and a bed with a splendid Sleeping Beauty slumbering upon its satin sheets was seen. The audience watched with bated breath as all awaited Sleeping Beauty's routine. After several minutes of gentle snoring, the audience realized that she wasn't going to do anything and the curtains closed.
As the judges went over their final review, the princesses came out on stage for the announcement. The prince was paraded out, and everyone awaited the results of who would be crowned ultimate grand supreme princess of the realm.
The prince was handed the crown that had been resting on a velvet pillow, his hands trembling as sweat dripped down his handsome, chiseled face. Seizing the crown in one hand and the hand of the pageant host in the other, the prince exclaimed, "I'm gay!" Together, the prince and the equally handsome pageant host skipped off the stage to live happily ever after in San Francisco. The end. Moral: don't make a fool of yourself for a guy, because a man